All right, next two up, just as the rain starts coming, the Thruxton RS. This is for DBH motorcycles. This is going to get one of our full Monty valets before it goes in the showroom. We'll get all those pipes minted up, the usual bits and pieces, get some XCP on it. I will get started with this lovely bobber, with another one which they've just gotten in. She's not too bad, got some burnt on plastic or something on that exhaust. We get all that polished up, all the side cases. What a neat little bobber. This will be up for sale once I've done my bit. If you're looking for something a little special, give Danny a ring, a DBH. I'm sure this won't be around long once I've done my bit to it. This bobber is coming along nicely, just polishing up these engine cases. They was starting to corrode a bit. Luckily got all that plastic off of there. I'm going to do another polish on those header pipes. Now I'm going to do a bit of polishing on these side covers. They're looking a little dull. Right about 3 hours on the dot, this Triumph bobber has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This is one sweet looking bobber. If you're looking for something a little bit special, give DBH Motorcycles a ring tomorrow. This will be in their showroom and I'm sure it won't be around long. We've done one of our legendary full Monty valets, including XCP corrosion protection on all those spokes. They all got a good scrub. As you saw previously, this had some really thick plastic melted onto that exhaust. An hour's worth of rubbing. I managed to get all that off, polished it all up. All the engine cases are polished, all your end cans are polished. Chains all been re-lubed. I've just done a single stage machine polish on the covers and the tank. Look at the engine covers come up like new. All done, 3 hours on the dot. This will be up for sale tomorrow. DBH Motorcycles. It sounds freaking awesome with that exhaust. Hit them up. You're looking for something a little special. Check out these indicators. Everything's custom on this. Give them a buzz. It won't be around long. Don't forget, we're open 7 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. Give us a buzz, 07966 249